Hi friends, in this session I'll be discussing about uh, how the starvation affects. Okay, under the session of surgical nutrition, I'll be discussing about how the starvation affects on nutrition. So the first point written here is if a patient starves up to 12 hours, after 12 hours, after 24 hours, after 72 hours. Up to 12 hours, body gets glucose from last meal intake. From the last meal intake, the body gets glucose. After 12 hours, right? Now say example after 12 hours, what happens here is liver glycogen stores will get depleted. From that depleted, once the glycogen converts into the glucose, once it depleted, 200 grams of glucose is produced from that. And if we look into the next, the muscle glycogen stores depleted after 200, then the 500 grams of glucose will be used. So total first 12 hours, last meal of intake. After 12 hours, first liver glycogen, the muscle glycogen. Next, after 24 hours, the muscle breaks down, amino acids is formed, and this amino acid helps in the formation, goes to the hepatic and goes hepatic gluconeogenesis. Now even the fat breaks down, that the glycerol converts into free fatty acids and amino acids, and this amino acids converts into the glucose has gotten hepatic gluconeogenesis, and during this form the in per day there is 75 nitrogen is excreted, 75 grams of nitrogen is excreted, and that should be avoided. For that, what happens after 72 hours, the free fatty acids that converts into ketone bodies, and this ketone body, the decreased urine nitrogen excretion. So this ketone bodies it acts as a fuel by the heart and the brain. So heart and the brain. So what happens here is there is a decreased urine nitrogen excretion. So muscles are preserved in the starvation. So this preserving of the nitrogen by utilizing of the ketone body by FFA, it is known as adaptive ketogenesis. So what are the metabolic response to starvation? Low plasma insulin, high plasma glucagon, hepatic glyconeogenesis, protein catabolism, hepatic glycogenesis, lipolysis metabolism of fat storage, increased fat oxidation, overall decrease in protein and carbohydrate oxidation, and this is an adaptive ketogenesis. And we should understand that reduction in the resting energy expenditure from 25 to 30 kilocalorie per kg per day to 15 to 20 kilocalorie per kg per day is these are the response of the starvation, of the metabolic response of the starvation.